Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix headphones not detected on your Nothing Phone 4a. So if you are using USB-C headphones, what you guys want to do first is clean the charging port, because dust can block a lot of connections. So let's go over. Here we have the charging port. Now I got a soft brush right here, and what are we gonna do is we're gonna make sure to clean it inside. Now let's get this off. And now our USB-C port is clean. So what are we gonna do next is we're gonna go over and simply, if we are using an adapter to a 3.5mm jack, we're gonna make sure that we use an original one or a certified one. This is very important. If you use a cheap adapter, it can break down any second. You will have no idea when, why, and what basically caused it to break. So what you guys want to do next is test another pair of headphones. So grab another pair, and if you got another pair of headphones, for example for USB-C, then simply plug it into your Nothing and everything should work fine. Now what you guys want to do next is go over and restart the phone. So hold the power button or press the power button and the volume up button and tap on restart. Now let me quickly enter the password again, and now the phone is restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. After the restart, what you guys want to do is update your software, but this is also what you guys want to do for the Bluetooth headphones. So now we're moving up to the Bluetooth headphones. We're gonna check the software update first. We're gonna go over into the settings, and here we're gonna scroll down until we see About Phone right at the bottom. We're gonna tap on Nothing OS and tap on Nothing OS right here. As you guys can see, it's checking for update and it's installing the latest update for me right now. So if you do not have the latest version, make sure to update it just like me. It's very important because we want to make sure that there's no old glitches running around. Now let's move on to the Bluetooth headphones. What are we going to do first is we're going to go over to the connected devices, connection preferences, and Bluetooth. Make sure that if your Bluetooth is turned off, that you turn it off and turn it on again. This is a quick restart. And what you guys want to do next is go over, and if your device is paired already, then click pair new device. Let me quickly do that so you guys can see how the forgetting process looks like. We're gonna go here, we're gonna click on connect, and as you guys can see now, let's leave this. We got the media devices right here. We're gonna click on the gear icon and tap forget device. Now they're gone, and what you guys want to do is simply repair them. So tap on pair new device. Of course, do the same thing by connecting them. Every single device connects differently, so as you guys can see now, they are paired again. And make sure that you charge your headphones fully. This is very important, because if you do not charge them fully, then maybe that's one of the reasons why they just won't connect. So now, as a last resort, we're gonna go back to the settings, but now we're gonna go to the main page and scroll down to system. Here in the system, we're gonna go to reset options and tap on the reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. This is very important because we wanna reset our Bluetooth settings, and that's basically it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.